Most people create quizzes and calculators for engagement, but very few optimize them for search visibility. If Google can't properly understand your interactive content, you may miss out on traffic. In this video, we'll show you how to add schema markup to your Outgrow quizzes and calculators step by step. First, we need to understand schema markup. Let's go to the Google search engine and just type the name of the actor like Tom Hanks. It helps search engines understand who the person is, their profession, age and birthday, movies and awards, social media profiles, related information, and knowledge panel details. All of this information is often powered by schema markup, which helps Google display rich search results more effectively. This is especially useful for interactive content like quizzes and calculators. First, log into your Outgrow dashboard. Open the content piece to which you want to add schema markup. Publish your content, then copy your page URL or embed code, depending on where your content is hosted. Now, create your schema markup. Here's a simple example of schema markup for a calculator. Now, let's open the Google Rich Results test. Click on the Code tab, then paste your schema markup code here to check for any errors, missing fields, or warnings. If any errors are detected, fix them before proceeding. If there are no errors, your code is ready to use. Now log into your website and add this schema markup. Then open the landing page URL where you embedded the quiz or calculator and locate the head section of that page. Add the schema markup code inside the head section and publish the page. If you are using the WordPress CMS, you can also install a third-party plugin to add this code. And that's it. You have successfully added schema markup to your quizzes or calculators. Ready to make your quizzes and calculators more SEO friendly? Start your free Outgrow trial today and add schema markup to help your interactive content stand out in search results.